Welcome to the unboxing of the Epson 3LCD BEAMER. I just picked it up from Amazon. They just delivered it in my office. So we go to unbox it now. This is a box from Amazon with some papers into it. It's nothing special. I will go to throw that away immediately, and I will take open the box with the BEAMER inside of it. So this is the BEAMER. That box we don't need anymore. As you can see, we have here the Epson EH-TW6150. It's a 4K home projector. It uses a 1080p a native LCD resolution, but it's shifted up with pixel shifting. So you get a lot of more pixels than the 1080p via new technology, because it's cheaper technology. And I heard that the screen is very good. The image quality is amazing. I heard many good reviews over it. So what do we have? In the box we have a manual with safety instructions and stuff like that. We have the remote control. I heard that you can connect the remote control to your television or something. Batteries are also included, so it's complete. And then you have a closing plate. That's for the cables behind. You can close it. You can use this plate to do the cables away. Then we have an electricity cable. It's the UK version, but I have already my own Dutch version here, and there is also a Dutch version included. So you get two cables. That's nice. Then here. This is a cable for connecting the HDMI stick inside of the BEAMER, but I don't think there is a HDMI stick included. This is also the same. You get two cables. This is that. There is nothing more inside of it. Then we have some, how do you call it, isomol, and then we have the BEAMER. The box is now fully empty, so I throw that away. And we go to check the BEAMER. So this is the BEAMER. It weighs around 4 kilos if I'm right. 4 kilograms. It's quite heavy. This is the lens, the front screen. It's all covered with plastic tape to keep it on its place. So I will remove it. What you don't need. That can be removed. We go to check here. Here is it, Epson LCD projector. Model, lamp, warning. Everything is onto it. HDMI port, power port. As you can see, 4K Pro UHD, but it cannot reach 4K UHD. It can reach 2K or something like that, because it uses a 1080p pixel screen, and it upscales it to 2 pixels in the diagonal. So yeah. You also have here extra ports, and then yeah, you have a lot of cool stuff, huh? We still have to open the front plate from the lens. That's that. Voila. Now the lens is uncovered. Voila, this was all. I hope you enjoyed my video for the unboxing video of the Epson EH-TW6150 EH-TW6150, I believe. So yeah, it looks good. I hope you enjoy it, and if you like my video, please subscribe, and don't forget we are giving away a lot of good things. We are giving away laptops, smartphones, cell phones, Bluetooth stuff, computer stuff to people that subscribes to our channel. The only thing you have to do is subscribe to our channel and we notify you when you win something.